Okay, Dr. Abraham, I just wanted to record this just in case for some reason you do not get the link to Google Classroom because it is with my um, university. So really quick, I just wanted to show you what I did. I did the hybrid course assignment construction, and then here I posted the first announcement that I would give to my class. That's also in the appendix, and as you see, pretty self-explanatory. Tell them to join Google Classroom, type the code, and I constructed this hybrid course assignment construction in a hybrid format. So it does require a little bit of face-to-face in this makeshift. But in this email, I provided them a little welcome, how to access the course. I also provided them a little description what the course is about, reminded them of the learning objectives, and then I gave them a course schedule, which includes by week what the learning objective is, the Monday class schedule, and what is due, and then also their discussion board. So this is the first assignment that they have. Under the Classwork tab, I have it sectioned into 4 different weeks, and each week has basically notes on what that week is. I put a makeshift PowerPoint, so whatever I'd lecture in the class, I'd have it available on a PowerPoint. And for first week 1, you see the notes, the PowerPoint. You see another tab that I have a video, tips on effective recording. And I have the link, of course, in my submission. Learning Objective 1 assignment, so they would upload the assignment of that week, and then the informal assessment is in week 1, so week 1 assessment, and there's a Google Forms link. And then moving on to week 2, you have notes for that week, the schedule. As I mentioned before, whatever PowerPoint I would have, I would upload it here. And then also I would have a discussion board post. So students would kind of use the comment section here to participate in a discussion board. Since I really didn't find that feature in Google Classroom as compared to Canvas or Blackboard. And an opportunity for them to upload their assignment for week 2. Week 3, same thing. So notes, which include PowerPoints, their discussion board for that week, and go down to week 3. And also I put another video here, the one that I submitted for another assignment, how to use Google Forms. So a quick tutorial and a place where they could submit their Learning Objective 3 assignment. And then week 4 is the final week. And as you see here, it has the same information. It has their discussion board, their final discussion board, where they submit Learning Objective 4 assignment, and then their final assessment through Google Forms. And all these links, I have them in the proper paper. Just wanted to show how it was organized. And as you see here, I have added you, so hopefully that works. And that's pretty much about it. I hope that is enough to get me credit for this assignment. And it was a fun course. I learned a lot, and I definitely am going to use some of these tools in my teaching. I think it's going to streamline things, it's going to help students learn, and it's also going to make my life easier. Thank you, and be safe and healthy.